Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video you are going to learn lean manufacturing. Topic I have discussed are what is lean manufacturing, 5 principles of lean manufacturing, 8 wastage of lean manufacturing, advantages of lean manufacturing and the disadvantages of lean manufacturing. Let's start the video. Lean manufacturing is a production process based on an ideology of maximizing productivity while simultaneously minimizing waste within a manufacturing operations. Many manufacturers are using lean manufacturing principles to eliminate waste, optimize process, cut cost, boost innovations, and reduce time to sell in a fast, volatile, and ever-changing global marketplace. To not take full advantages of all of your resources is to less efficiencies and is so doing stunt productions. For many pupils, the phrase lean manufacturing is synonymous with removing waste, and eliminating waste is certainly a key element of any lean practice. But the ultimate goal of practicing lean manufacturing isn't simply to eliminate waste, it to sustainably deliver value to the customers. Some well-known companies that use lean include Toyota, Intel, John Deere, and Nike, etc. Principles of lean manufacturing. Now come to 5 principles of lean manufacturing. A widely referenced books, Lean Thinking, Banish Waste and Create Wealth in Your Corporations, which was published in 1996, laid out 5 principles of lean which references core principles in many fields. They are the value stream, flow, pull, and perfections. Let's discuss each principle separately. Value is identified from the perspective of the customers and relates to how much they are willing to pay for product or services. This value is then created by the manufacturer or service provider, who should seek to eliminate waste and cost to meet the optimal price for the customer while also maximizing profit. Second, map the value stream. This principle involves analyzing the materials and other resources required to produce a product or services with the aim of identifying waste and improvement. Value stream mappings comprises the product entire life cycle from raw materials through the to disposal. Anything that does not add value must be eliminated. Number 3, create flow, eliminate functional barrier and identify way to improvement lead time. This ensures that process flow smoothly and can be undertaken with minimal delay or other waste. Lean manufacturing relies on preventing interruptions in this process and enabling a harmonized and integrated set of process in which activities operates in a constant streams. Fourth, establish a pull system. Lean manufacturing uses a pull system instead of a push system. With the push system, inventory needs are determined in advance and the product is manufactured to meet that forecast. However, forecasts are typically inaccurate, which can result in swings between too much inventory and not enough inventory. This can lead to additional warehousing cost, disrupted schedules, or poor customer satisfaction. Lean manufacturing is based on a pull system in which nothing is bought or you only start new work when there is a demand for it. Pull relies on flexibility and communications. Fifth, perfection. Lean manufacturing rests on the concept of continuously striving for perfections via continued process improvement, which is also known as Kaizen. As created by Toyota Motor Corporation's founder Kiyo Tota, it involves targeting the root cause of quality issues and ferreting out and eliminating waste across the value streams. Waste of lean manufacturing. 8 waste of lean manufacturing. Then lean manufacturing framework that was originally developed by Taichi, one of Toyota Motors company, has applications across every industry today. The original 7 wastes identified by the one have explained to include one more related to an organization's employee. You can easily recall the 8 stages of Lean by using the acronyms downtime, which stands for defect, product, service, or informations are incomplete or inaccurate. Overproductions, making some things earlier or faster than needed, making more than what is needed. Waiting idle time, while waiting for material, equipment, parts, people, or informations, and stand for non-utilized talent, not fully utilizing the experience, skills, knowledge, or creativity of your team. Transportations, access, the unnecessary movement of products, equipment, or materials. AI, inventory excess or complications of stock beyond what is necessary to serve the customers. M, motion, X as any movement by the team that is not of value to the customers. E, excess, processing any additional steps in a process that do not add value to the customer. Let's move on the advantages of lean manufacturing. Number 1, save time and money. More efficient workflow, resources allocations, and productions can benefit business regardless of size or outputs. Time saving allows for reduced lead times and better services in providing product quickly to customers, but can also help us save money by allowing for a more streamlined workforce. Second, environmental friendly. Removing unnecessary process can save cost in energy and fuel use. This has an obvious environmental benefit as does the use of more energy efficient equipment, which can also offer cost saving. 3, improved customer satisfaction. Third, improved customer satisfaction. Improving the delivery of a product or services at the right cost to a customer improve customer satisfactions. This is essential to business success as happy customers are more likely to return or recommend your product or services to another. Disadvantages of lean manufacturing. First, employee safety. By focusing on removing waste and streamlining procedure, it is possible to overlook the stress placed on employees who are given the little margin for error in the workplace. Second, it stops future development. Lean manufacturing inherent focus on cutting waste can lead management to over focus on the present and disregard the future. However, this may be important to a company's legacy and future development. If you find the video helpful and informative, give us like, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.